Hello dear students, welcome to history class. Today we are going to learning about chapter number 2, the earliest societies for class 6th part 2. In previous part we have learnt ancestors of human beings. We know that hominids. We know when earth was formed. So around 4600 million years ago the earth was formed, and around 3500 million years ago the life started on the earth. So afterwards we have seen that limited plants and animals appeared on the earth, and also humans appeared on the earth in the period of Pleistocene period or early Pleistocene period. That early humans are ape-like creatures. That ape-like creatures people called hominids. That hominids could not walk properly, could not stand properly. Okay, they move from one place to other place to search of food. Okay, and afterwards gradually some changes in their body. Their fingers are flexible, and also brain cells were larger, jaws were small. So this like people called Homo erectus. These Homo erectus peoples are traveled long distances, and afterwards again changes in their body. Okay, so by example we call them Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means, so nowadays means sapiens, Homo sapiens means what? Some thinking power is came, wise man. By example modern day peoples. And then they start history, prehistory period. In prehistory period, they are traveling one place to other place to search of food. They are hunter-gatherers, but they don't know how to write and how to read. In India, we have seen here prehistoric period began at 1.5 billion years ago. Okay, so here till completed previous part 1. So today's topic in part 2, life of the early men. See here students, life of the early humans. So when early humans are appeared on the earth, okay, they gradually changes in their body, and then lastly the prehistory period started. Then what is in prehistory period, what is the life of the early humans? Early humans are hunter-gatherers. Early humans are hunter-gatherers. They move one place to other place. They move one place to other place. But here wander. Some 3 steps are there. They move one place to other place. Some 3 reasons are there. Why they moving one place to other place? See here. Firstly, they move from one place to other place to search of animals. To search of animals for hunting, and they needed skin. Okay, so firstly, so they wandered, they moved from place to place to search of animals. Okay, see here, they to search of animals, so they needed food and their skin, because here hunter means early mans are totally they adapted to the nature. The early mans are adapted to nature. Okay, so to survival, see here means actually here peoples means early humans peoples are they dependent on nature. Okay, because they survive. Because they survive, they dependent on nature. And firstly, here they move from place to place to search of animal by food and they needed skin. And secondly, see here, to search of plants and trees. Plants and trees. See here. So they want fruits by food. They searching food. Okay. They searching food. Okay. So they searching here. Food means they move one place to other place to search of plants. And here trees, they needed shelter. They needed shelter. Okay. So they like tree tops. Okay. They move from place to place. And see here, third reason is there here to search of water. To search of water. Okay. Afterwards, so they move from place to place to search of water, to search of lakes, rivers. Okay. And they stay there only. Afterwards, they exhaust. Exhaust means what? It completing. When it completes, again they move from other place. Okay. So, to search of water for drinking. So, they search lakes and rivers. This like the early man started these three reasons in early humans. It is the life of early humans. And next is there now phases of the Stone Age. So next concept is the Stone Age. See here. Stone Age. Some here phases of Stone Age. The early human was needed here. By example, see, around 12,000 BCE. 12,000 BCE, the early man used stones for making tools and weapons. To making tools and weapons, he was used the stone here. Okay, and this period is called Stone Age. This period is called Stone Age. Means around 12,000 BCE, the early human uses here stone. They are making tools and weapons. And this period we are calling that Stone Age. Understood? Okay. And see here, this Stone Age period is divided into three categories. See. So one by one, I am explaining this. See here, the Stone Age is divided into three categories. So first one, see here, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. So Paleolithic is old age. Paleolithic is here old Stone Age. Okay. And Mesolithic is middle age, means middle Stone Age. And Neolithic is new Stone Age. New age. See here students, the Stone Age is divided into three categories. First one is Paleolithic, second one is Mesolithic and third one is Neolithic. Paleolithic is old age, Mesolithic is middle age and Neolithic is new age. See here students, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic, these are Greek words. These are the Greek words. See here, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. These are Greek words. So actually this is derived from that in our word, that is Paleolithic is a old and Mesolithic is a middle and Neolithic is a new. And here word came here, lithic. See here, lithic means lithos came here. Lithos. Lithos means stone. Lithos means what? Stone. Okay? Okay students, see here. Now, Paleolithic age, so when begins, the Paleolithic age is began 600,000 BCE to 10,000 BCE. Paleolithic age is began at 600,000 BCE to 10,000 BCE. And Mesolithic age, it begins at 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. It is the Mesolithic period. And Neolithic period is started 8,000 BCE to 4,000 BCE. See here students, once again I am repeating here, Stone Age period, the Stone Age, some phases of Stone Age, around 12,000 BCE, around 12,000 BCE, here early man uses stones for making stone, means for making stone tools and weapons. So this period is called Stone Age period. This period is called Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided in three categories. So first one is Paleolithic, second one is Mesolithic and third one is Neolithic. Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic, these are Greek words. These are Greek words. See here, lithic means lithos, means stone. Lithos means what? Stone. In afterwards, some Paleolithic period is called that Old Age period. And Mesolithic period is called that Middle Age period. And Neolithic is called that New Age period. But Paleolithic period, it begins that 600,000 BCE to 10,000 BCE. Here, next Mesolithic period is begins 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. And Neolithic period, it started 8,000 BCE to 4,000 BCE. Okay students, you know today's class Stone Age means the earliest societies part 2. Today you have learnt Stone Age and also you have learnt early man, the life of the early mans. Okay students, here completed today's part 2. But once again I am repeating. So what you have learnt in this topic? You have learnt life of the early humans. The early humans are hunter-gatherers. So they move from one place to other place to search of food. And early humans are dependent on nature to survive. Why are they dependent on nature? To survive their life. reasons are there. They ventured one place to another place. They moved from one place to other place. And first reason is there to search of animal. They moved from place to place to search of animal for food, and they needed skin. And second reason is there here. Second reason to search of plants and trees. To search of plants and trees. So, by fruit they needed by food, their fruits, and also they searched for trees because they lived on tree tops. Early man lived on tree tops, so he searched the trees. So, they moved from place to place. And third reason is there to search of water. To search of water, and they searched rivers, lakes, so he was searched. It is the life of the early man. And next, Stone Age. Today's class you have learnt also phases of Stone Age. Around 12,000 BCE. Around 12,000 BCE, here the early man used stones for making tools and weapons. Tools and weapons for hunting the animal. They use the weapons and tools, the hunting the animals. And Stone Age is divided into three categories. One is Paleolithic, second is Mesolithic, and third is Neolithic. So, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic, these are Greek words. So, Paleolithic is derived from Old Age, and Mesolithic is Middle Age, and Neolithic is New Age. Paleolithic age begins at 600,000 BCE to 10,000 BC. And afterwards, Mesolithic period begins at 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. And Neolithic period begins at 8,000 BCE to 4,000 BCE. Okay, students, in today's class, completed here. But you make the points correctly, these all. Okay? See here, next part I am continuing in next session, means next class. Thank you.